Okay guys, is your lawn tractor brakes not holding and you need to adjust them? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that, guys. So you will need to come to the rear right wheel and you need to get on your knees, guys, and crawl under here. So here's our adjusting nut, guys, which you'll need a 13mm open-end wrench or a socket to adjust. And to tighten the brakes, guys, you will go clockwise. To loosen the brake, guys, you go anti-clockwise. So you can just follow your brake rod here and the spring, and it connects to that bracket and the middle nut here, guys. So let's get that adjusted. So with your brakes disengaged, guys, and you're more in neutral, so that we can rock the mower while adjusting the brakes, guys, so you'll get the correct brake tension. So while rotating the mower like this, guys, we just go ahead and tighten it up until we get some drag and there, and then we just back it off a bit. Alright, so we're getting a bit of drag there, guys. So we just want to go anti-clockwise to loosen it just a bit, guys, and you just want to do this in small increments and test while you go along. So let's test that. So that's how you adjust your brakes on your lawn tractor, guys, with a rear drive axle. If this video was helpful, guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.